Hi, my name is Ken. In this video, I'm going over the most popular topics of the recent times: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, aka cryptocurrencies. If you are new to this, you'll get to know what is cryptocurrencies, how to buy Bitcoin, how to keep it safely, and why is everybody so excited about it. I'm gonna timestamp the video, so you may want to navigate to the needed part as well. Make a quick trade in the like button and invest in subscription to the channel for more useful content. And if you are a long-term investor, you may want to buy me a coffee, which helps a lot to keep running the channel. The link is down in the description. By now, you've probably heard the craze around the cryptocurrencies. Either a family member, friend, neighbor, or Uber driver probably told you how he or she is going to get rich quick with virtual currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Ripple, or one of the lesser known 1,000+ investable cryptocurrencies. But how much do you really know about them? So let's walk through the basics of the cryptocurrencies step by step and explain things in plain English. Let's get started. What are cryptocurrencies? A cryptocurrency is a new form of digital asset based on a network that is distributed across a large number of computers. This decentralized structure allows them to exist outside the control of governments and central authorities. The word cryptocurrency is derived from the encryption techniques which are used to secure the network. Blockchains, which are organizational methods for ensuring the integrity of transactional data, is an essential component of many cryptocurrencies. Many experts believe that blockchain and related technology will disrupt many industries, including finance and law. Cryptocurrencies face criticism for a number of reasons, including their use for illegal activities, exchange rate volatility, and vulnerabilities of the infrastructure underlying them. However, they also have been praised for their profitability, divisibility, inflation resistance, and transparency. The first blockchain-based cryptocurrency was a Bitcoin, which still remains the most popular and most valuable. Today, there are thousands of alternate cryptocurrencies with various specifications and features which are called altcoins. Some of these are clones or forks of Bitcoin, while others are new currencies that were built from scratch. We'll review the most popular ones in detail, starting with the Bitcoin. Bitcoin was launched in 2009 by an individual or group known by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. So there is no organization behind it, and remember, there is no customer service in case of some force majeure. Investing in Bitcoin can seem complicated, but it is much easier when you break it down to steps, so I'll be explaining to you step by step. Step 1 is choosing an exchange. Signing up for a cryptocurrency exchange will allow you to sell, buy, and hold cryptocurrency. It's best practice to use an exchange which allows its users to withdraw their cryptos to a personal wallet. Personal wallets help you keep your Bitcoin in safe. We'll be talking about it in detail a little bit later. There are many exchanges and brokerage platforms that do not allow this. If you are gonna keep the Bitcoin for the long term, make sure your exchange allows to withdraw your crypto to your personal wallet. For those looking to consistently trade Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, this feature may not matter. Right now, the most commonly used type of exchanges are not decentralized and require ID. These exchanges include Coinbase, Gemini, and Binance. Each of these exchanges has grown significantly in the number of features they offer, and these three are probably the easiest on-ramp to crypto in the market. Just keep in mind to use safe internet practices like two-factor authentication and using a strong password. On step 2, we're gonna verify our account and connect our exchange to a payment method. Once you have chosen an exchange, you now need to gather your personal documents depending on exchange and the country where you live in. The process is pretty much the same as setting up the brokerage account. After setting up all with the exchange, you may now connect a payment option. It could be a bank account, credit card, or debit card. There are varying fees for the deposits depending on method. Make sure to check that with exchange while you are choosing one or when choosing the payment option. Once you've chosen an exchange and connected a payment option, on step 3, you're gonna buy a Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency. Over recent years, cryptocurrency and their exchange have slowly become more mainstream. Crypto exchanges today offer a number of order types and ways to invest. Almost all exchanges offer both market and limit orders, and some also offer stop-loss orders. Getting an account on the exchange is really all you need to do to buy or sell Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency. But there is also one more important step to consider for more safety and security. So this step is about safe storage. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency wallets are a place to store digital assets more safely. Having your crypto outside of the exchange and in your personal wallet ensures that only you have control over the private key to access funds. It also gives you the ability to keep your funds away from the exchange and avoid the risk of your exchange getting hacked and losing your funds. When it comes to choosing a Bitcoin wallet, you have a number of choices. The first thing that you'll need to understand about crypto wallets is the concept of hot wallets and cold wallets. So let's review hot wallets first. Online wallets, also known as the hot wallets. These wallets are best used for small amount of cryptocurrency or cryptocurrency that you actively trade on an exchange. You could liken a hot wallet to a checking account in a bank. It's like holding only a spending money in the checking account while the bulk of your money is in savings account or other investment accounts. The same could be said with hot wallets. Hot wallets encompass mobile, desktop, web, and exchange account custody wallets. As mentioned previously, exchange wallets are custodial accounts provided by exchange. The user of this wallet type is not the holder of private key to the cryptocurrency that is held in this wallet. So if exchange is hacked or your account becomes compromised, your funds will be lost. The phrase "not your key, not your coin" is a heavily repeated concept within the cryptocurrency forums and communities. That said, these wallets can be made to be secure so long as precautions are taken. Strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and safe internet browsing to be considered as a minimum requirement. And now let's review cold wallets. The simplest description of a cold wallet is a wallet that is not connected to the internet and therefore stands at a far lesser risk of being compromised. These wallets can also be referred to as offline wallets or hardware wallets. These wallets store a user's private key on something that is not connected to the internet and can come with software which works in parallel so that the user can view their portfolio without putting their private key at risk. One of the cold wallets is a paper wallet. This is a wallet that you can generate of certain websites. It then produces both public and private keys that you print out on a piece of paper. The ability to access the cryptocurrency in these addresses is only available if you have this paper with you. You can keep it in safety deposit boxes at your bank or in a safe at your home. These wallets are meant for high security and long-term investments because you can't sell or trade Bitcoin stored this way. A more commonly used type of cold wallet is a hardware wallet. A hardware wallet is a typically USB drive device that stores the user's private keys securely offline. Summarizing the Bitcoin topic, a good way to set up your wallets is to have three things: an exchange account to buy or sell, a hot wallet to trade or sell your crypto, and a cold wallet to store larger holdings for long-term durations. There are also alternate ways of buying Bitcoin that I'm gonna stop quick by. I said that exchanges like Coinbase or Binance are the most popular ways of buying Bitcoin, but it is not the only method. I'm gonna tell some additional processes that Bitcoin users utilize. Bitcoin ATMs. Bitcoin ATMs act like in-person Bitcoin exchanges. Individuals can insert cash into the machine and use it to purchase Bitcoin that is then transferred to a secure digital wallet. Bitcoin ATMs have become increasingly popular in recent years. Coin ATM Radar can help to track down the closest machines. Another way of purchasing Bitcoin is P2P exchanges. Unlike decentralized exchanges, there are some peer-to-peer exchanges that provide a direct connection between users. Local Bitcoins is an example of such an exchange. After creating an account, users can post requests to buy or sell Bitcoin, including information about payment methods and price. Users then browse through listings of buy and sell offers, choosing those trade partners with whom they wish to transact. Local Bitcoins facilitates some of the aspects of the trade, while P2P exchanges do not offer the same anonymity as decentralized exchanges. They allow users the opportunity to shop around for the best deal. Many of these exchanges also offer rating systems so that users have a way to evaluate potential trade partners before transacting. And now let's talk about Ethereum. So what is Ethereum? Launched in 2015, Ethereum is an open source, blockchain-based, decentralized software platform used for its own cryptocurrency Ether. It enables smart contracts and distributed applications to be built and run without any downtime, fraud, control, or interference from a third party. Ethereum is not just a platform but also a programming language, which runs on a blockchain, helping developers to build and publish distributed applications, aka dApps. I'll try to explain more about Ethereum. The applications run on Ethereum are run on a platform-specific cryptographic token Ether. During 2014, Ethereum had launched a pre-sale for Ether, which had received an overwhelming response. Ether is like a vehicle for moving around on the Ethereum platform, and is mostly sought by developers looking to develop and run applications inside Ethereum. Ether is used broadly for two purposes. The one, it is traded like a digital currency exchange like other cryptocurrencies, and two, it is used inside Ethereum to run applications and even to monetize work. According to Ethereum, it can be used to codify, decentralize, secure, and trade just about anything. One of the big projects around Ethereum is Microsoft's partnership with Consensus, which offers Ethereum blockchain as a service on Microsoft Azure, so enterprise clients and developers can have a single-click cloud-based blockchain developer environment. Ethereum is the second largest virtual currency on the market behind only Bitcoin. It is much faster to acquire Ether currency than Bitcoin, 14-15 seconds versus 10 minutes. So there are far more Ether units in circulation than the Bitcoin. And by the way, the Bitcoin is limited to 21 million units. Now we have around like 19 million. Once we've done with Bitcoin and Ethereum, now let's talk about Ripple. What is Ripple? Ripple is a technology that acts as both a cryptocurrency and a digital payment network for financial transactions. It was first released in 2012 and was co-founded by Chris Larsen and Jed McCaleb. The coin for the cryptocurrency is pre-mined and labeled XRP. Ripple is more known for its digital payment protocol than its cryptocurrency. Ripple operates on an open source and peer-to-peer decentralized platform that allows for a seamless transfer of money in any form, whether dollars, yen, Litecoin, or Bitcoin. To understand how the system works, consider a money transfer structure similar to the SWIFT system for international money and security transfers used by banks and financial middlemen. Rather than use blockchain mining, Ripple uses a consensus mechanism through a group of servers to confirm transactions. Ripple transactions use less energy than Bitcoin, are confirmed in seconds and cost very little, versus Bitcoin transactions which use more energy, take longer to confirm, and include high transaction costs. Now you know how Ripple works, and there is the most important thing about it. Currently, Ripple faces serious legal charges over its associated cryptocurrency XRP, and many crypto platforms decided to drop support for the coin until things are settled. So make sure to checking news before trading this cryptocurrency. With that said, I hope you guys got some good information out of it. If you liked the video, drop a comment. Here are more other videos about personal finance and investments. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.